children, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are well and healthy. Now, as you know, it's prayer time. So today we will do Hindi prayer. But before this, we will join our hands and close our eyes. Om Bhurvasvaha Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Open your eyes. So now it's time to do meditation. Let's begin. Through this meditation, you can keep your body calm and relaxed. And now study time. And first lecture is of Hindi. And in Hindi, today we will do फलों के नाम again. Okay? So for that, take out your Hindi notebook and mention date and day on top like this. And date is 13th of October 2020 and day is Tuesday. और ट्यूसडे को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? मंगलवार. मंगल मंगल व आर वार मंगलवार. एंड आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू राइट द टॉपिक विच इज फलों के नाम. फलों क ए के न आम नाम. फलों के नाम. ओके. So let's revise. आम आम. आम. And next is lychee. लीची. लीची. Okay. And next is anar. न आ र अनार. न आ र अनार. And next is पपीता. प ई त आ पपीता. प ई त आ पपीता. And next is नाशपाती. न आ ना श नाश. पा को कौन सी मात्रा आ रही है? आ. ती को कौन सी मात्रा आई? ई. नाश पाती. ना को कौन सी मात्रा आ रही है? आ. नाश नाश. पा ती नाशपाती. Okay. And last is ananas. देखो इसको कोई आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है ना, तो हमने यहाँ पे कोई मात्रा नहीं डाली है। जब की आवाज़ आती है तो आपने कोई भी मात्रा नहीं डालनी है। ना को कौन सी आवाज़ आ रही है? आ, तो हम आ की मात्रा डालेंगे। न आ अना, अगेन ना, स अनानास। ओके, न आ ना, न आ ना, स अनानास। न आ अना, न आस नास, अन्ना नास. Okay, so children, this is your Hindi work. Okay, now moving on to second lecture, which is of EVS. And in EVS today we will do one activity related to chapter water animals. Okay, which is match the following pictures with their names. Okay, यानी कि हमने जो ये पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं इनकी नेम के साथ हमने इनको मैच करना है. ओके, सो फॉर दैट टेक आउट योर EVS notebook and mention date and day on top like this, and after this you have to write the topic, which is match the following pictures with their name. Okay, and in this activity first you have to recognize the pictures and then you will match the pictures with their correct name. Okay, so let's start with first picture. Which animal is this? Dolphin. Which picture is this? Dolphin. And what is the spelling of dolphin? DOLPHIN. 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 So we will match the picture with its name. Okay, like this. Okay, and next picture is a lobster. Which picture is this? Lobster. And what is the spelling of lobster? LOBSTER. 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 So let's find where is the spelling of lobster. Oh, it's here. So we will match the picture with its name. Okay, and next picture is a turtle. Which animal is this? Turtle. And what is the spelling of turtle? TURTLE. 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 So let's find where is the spelling of turtle. LOBSTER. Lobster. No. TURTLE. Turtle. Yes, this is the spelling of turtle. So we will match the picture with its name. Okay, and next picture is a shark. Which animal is this? Shark. And what is the spelling of shark? SHARK. 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 So let's find where is the spelling of shark. This is no, this is no, this is no, this is yes, this is the spelling of shark. So we will match the picture with its name. Okay, And next picture is a starfish. Which animal is this? Starfish. And what is the spelling of starfish? S-T-A-R star F-I-S-H fish. Starfish. So let's find where is the spelling of starfish. This is no, this is no, this is no, this is no, this is yes, this is the spelling of starfish. S-T-A-R star F-I-S-H fish. Starfish. So let's match it. Okay, like this. And last animal is seal. Which animal is this? Seal. And what is the spelling of seal? S-E-A-L-C. S-E-A-L seal. So where is the spelling of seal? Oh, it's here. Okay. So we will match the picture with its name. Okay. So children, this is your EVS work. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay healthy.